Really? You couldn't even wait till I was done eating to bring me some bullshit? I love you, but you're freaking evil. What am I supposed to do with that? Well, I'm gonna die, aren't I? This is, yeah. Let's see what the shit we got going on. There's peas in it. There's peas and olives and I don't like you very much right now. This is awful. This is god awful. What the hell did you do? Oh. Nah.
It's called.
Do people actually eat this one? Is this an actual recipe?
Yes. There's meat in it.
Meat? I see, whatever the hell this is. It looks like, I'm not even going to tell you what that looks like. Hey, look at it. Look closely. Oh my God, that's awful. You're taking a bite of it. You better take a bite. If I got to eat this, you're eating it.